Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing and review of Cooler Master H410R RGB. Now before starting the video, I want to clarify one thing. Yes, Cooler Master sent me this product for this review, but the video is not sponsored by any means, and in this video I am going to share only what I think about the product. Okay, so now let's open up the box and let's see what we got in it. Let's keep aside the small box for now. Let's see what else we got in the box. So here is the CPU back panel for mounting the CPU cooler on the motherboard. So the packaging is really nice with foam, so it will not get easily damaged by any means while shipping. Now let's open up the small box and let's see what we have in it. So it seems like we have all the screws and the clamps stacked in it. And yes, we will need that while mounting the CPU cooler. Okay, so this is a nice touch that they have included this RGB controller in the box. So you can now easily customize your RGB fan without the need of an RGB capable motherboard with its 6 presets and 7 different single colors. It has 3 buttons, and the first one is for brightness control, the second one is for color switching, and the third one is for switching the modes. Now you can still enjoy the RGB if you don't have the RGB supported motherboard. Okay, so it comes with all the mounting systems for both Intel and AMD platform. So I have installed the mounting systems. I need to install the CPU cooler in my Intel build and now also connect the RGB controller. So the RGB controller is powered by Molex cable, and you just need to connect this small pin with the RGB controller and the 4 pin on the other side for RGB control. Okay, so after removing that existing CPU cooler, don't forget to clean the thermal paste from your processor. Now we need the thermal paste we have in the box and we are going to apply it. Now while applying thermal paste, remember one thing, we don't need so much of thermal paste. So we are going to apply a very little quantity of thermal paste on the processor, and now let's install our new CPU cooler. Okay, so I have installed the heatsink. Now I just need to connect the fan connector on the motherboard and need to install the fan on the heatsink. And after that, place your RGB controller according to your preference and connect it with the Molex RGB controller of your fan, and we are done with the installation process. The Hyper H410R is a compact tower cooler designed to fit in tight builds, and it's a great solution for micro ATX and mini ATX boards. Its 92mm PWM fan features a wide fan speed range and can be fine-tuned for maximum airflow or silent operations. It includes 4 direct contact copper heat pipes to dissipate heat quickly and efficiently through the shaped aluminum fins. So the external RGB controller comes with 5 steps of brightness control, 7 different colors, and some built-in presets like blinking, rainbow, color blinking, color breathing, and so on. I have to say, Cooler Master did a great job, and this is one of the best budget CPU cooler you can buy right now. And also this is a very good option for budget gamers as well. So that's it for today's video. If this video is the first one you are watching on my channel, do subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you don't like the video, hit the dislike button twice. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tata.